How to remove follower on Bluesky Social. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To remove the follower on Bluesky Social, head over and launch a Bluesky application in your device. So right over here, firstly, what you need to do is log in into your Bluesky. Once you have successfully logged in, at the bottom right corner, you will see a profile icon. Tap on this given icon. Right from here, check out your followers tab. In the followers tab, you will find every follower that follows your profile. Now, if you wish to remove it, you will see the remove button next to the follower. Let me go ahead and show you. So just like in the following tab, I have the unfollow button. In the followers tab, you will have the remove button just like this. All you need to do is basically click on the remove button. After you tap on the remove button, the follower will be removed from your Bluesky Social easily. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can just press and hold onto your app and head to app info. From here, you need to force stop it, then head to storage and cache and tap on clear cache to remove any of the bug or the glitch issue. So this is how you can remove the follower on Bluesky.